Hey guys, Sean here with another video, and this time I figured I would do a beauty tutorial type thing because people love those on YouTube, right? 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 But the only problem is that I am not a girl. I don't know how to do makeup. I'm a straight white man who has no interest in special effects. I have no idea how to do makeup. However, guys, I do have this amazing, awesome tip for you guys on how you, yes, you men, this is a tutorial for men. Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to look younger in just a few minutes. So, here we go. There you have it, guys. That's how you can look younger by just taking a few minutes out of your day. Repeat every day, every other day, depending on how long you want to look young for. Otherwise, to look older, you just don't do that for a while. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, smash the like button and hit subscribe and that bell notification if I don't know. That's still kind of new. Yeah, I'm done. Peace. Seriously though, you guys, don't leave the sink fucking looking like this shit, especially not if you live with a woman. Seriously, clean up your fucking shit.